In this video, you will learn the 3 key mistakes that cause people do not achieve financial success. You will also learn the most important quality of a rich person. And at the end, you will learn how to earn $10,000 right now. So here we go. Mistake number 1. Putting it off until later. This mistake is when we put off important financial decisions and actions to an uncertain future, hoping that someday there will be time, money, or the right opportunity. Why is this so dangerous? Here are a few key points. 1. Missing time. Every day we put aside is a missed opportunity to grow our finances. Investments and savings grow over time due to the benefits of compound interest. The earlier we start, the more funds we will have in the future. 2. No specific goals. Putting off financial decisions without a specific goal means we are wandering in the dark. Not having financial goals and a plan of action makes our financial journey uncertain and chaotic. 3. Financial stress. When we don't take care of our finances on time, it can lead to financial stress and unexpected financial crises. Fear of the future and uncertainty can greatly affect our well-being. How can we avoid this mistake? Start taking action today. Set your financial goals, create a budget, start investing, and stick to that plan. Remember, even small steps can lead to big results if you start taking them regularly. Don't put your financial goals on hold. Start working on them now, and your financial future will be more stable and secure. Mistake number 2. Ignorance and lack of financial literacy. Ignorance and lack of financial literacy are serious barriers to financial freedom. Many people with little knowledge about finances and investments make decisions that can negatively impact their financial future. 1. Losses due to poor decisions. A lack of understanding of financial instruments and risks can lead to poor investment decisions. For example, investing without proper analysis can severely reduce returns or even lead to losses. Missed opportunities. Without knowing about the financial tools and strategies available, you may miss out on opportunities to earn more and increase your savings. The market is constantly changing, and knowledge can help you adapt to new conditions. 3. Financial security. Lack of basic financial skills and understanding can create financial vulnerability. You may find yourself unable to solve financial problems or plan for the future. How can you avoid this mistake? It is important to invest time and effort in improving your financial literacy. Learning opportunities and access to information about finances are abundantly available. Here are some steps to take. Reading and learning. Read books, articles, and webinars about finances, investing, and budget planning. Financial planning. Create your financial plan and budget. This will help you better manage your finances. Counseling. Consider contacting a financial advisor or counselor for individualized advice. Education. Consider financial education and courses that can help you learn the basics and more complex aspects of the financial world. Investing in your financial education may be one of the best decisions you will make and will help you make more informed decisions and build a more successful financial future. Mistake number 3. Lack of planning. Lack of planning is a critical mistake that can make it very difficult to achieve financial freedom. Not having a clear and thoughtful financial plan leaves you without a clear direction and strategy for achieving your financial goals. Here's why it's so important. 1. Goals without a plan are just dreams. Without a concrete financial plan, your financial goals will remain abstract desires. You can dream of financial freedom, but without a plan, there will be no clarity on exactly how you will get there. 2. Risks and surprises. Life is full of surprises, and a financial plan helps you prepare for them. It includes emergent funds and strategies for handling financial crises. 3. Resource optimization. A financial plan helps you optimize your use of resources. You can accurately allocate your income between investments, savings, debt repayment, and current expenditures, making financial management more efficient. 4. Motivation and progress tracking. A financial plan serves to motivate you as it allows you to see how you are getting closer to your goals. You can track your progress and adjust your plan if necessary. How can you avoid this mistake? It's important to create a financial plan that addresses your goals, budget, investments, and debt management strategies. Here are steps you can take. Set specific financial goals. Determine exactly what you want to accomplish and set clear goals. Create a budget. Create a budget that accounts for your income and expenses and allows you to manage your finances. Create an investment plan. Determine how you will invest your money to achieve your financial goals. Create an emergence fund. Build up a reserve in case of unexpected financial hardship. Track and adjust. Regularly monitor your plan and adjust it as needed. Financial planning is a key element to successfully managing your finances and achieving financial freedom. Without a plan, you leave your financial success to chance, whereas a plan allows you to control your destiny and move towards your goals in a conscious and efficient manner. Summarizing, so friends, as you have already realized, the lack of a clear plan deprives you of a clear path to achieve your goals. So by avoiding these mistakes and taking responsibility for managing your finances, you can create a more sustainable and secure financial future. Don't be afraid to research, plan, and act. Financial freedom is the result of the careful work and informed decisions you make today to create a brighter and more carefree tomorrow.